Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm starting to rebuild my 675 after having a high side at Alton Park a few months ago. One of the things I found that was broken was the clutch switch that lives in here. It's just like a spring-loaded switch with contacts inside, and that little metal ring there just makes contacts when you squeeze it in. That makes a circuit, you let it out, that breaks the circuit. Basically you can see it's all a bit broken off in here. Now I could have probably bought just a replacement switch on its own. However, one of the things that I wanted to get rid of for a while is this switchgear, and the wiring for that clutch switch it also goes up to this. So essentially to remove that you also need to remove this, or you could de-pin the plug and just crimp this one in like I've done over here with the other switch. But as this one's already broken anyway, I decided to do away with all that and just start fresh. So as you can see over here, this is the plug that normally comes from the main harness of that switchgear. I've cut all the wires off and just taped them over from it. If I ever needed to reconnect them in the future I could. Then the black and yellow and the black that go to the clutch switch I've then ran up to this spring-loaded switch here, which is an aftermarket switch that I just bought off eBay. I originally tried this with just a rocker switch just to double check, but you got to be careful with the rocker switch because obviously if you flick a rocker switch down so it thinks the clutch is in, if you then forget to flick it back up, it'll be the same as just having the wires looped. Now people talk about having the wires looped, which is fine. Yes, the bike will start. However, if you have a quick shifter like me, Triumph quick shifter like one of these, if the clutch is in, the quick shifter doesn't work. So it thinks you're changing gear normally, it thinks you're just going to change with the clutch, so it doesn't engage the quick shifter. Grab the key. So key on, ignition on like usual with these. So if you press that button now, nothing happens. Press and hold that.